Hi guys, we have this Amul Chocozoo chocolate. Let's see its review. So this one is 250 gram pack and it has MRP of 140 rupees. It has 1 year of shelf life. Packaging is nice and attractive for kids. It comes in this reusable plastic tub. So to open, you have to pull the lid from here. For storage instructions, pack says keep it at 15 degrees Celsius at dry place. So during winters, you can keep it outside also. And it is also available in 500 gram tub. So the chocolates are packed in this transparent packaging. And in this box, there were total 30 chocolates. And our first chocolate is elephant shaped. Not that clear elephant, but yeah, kids can identify that this is elephant. Very innovative idea to give the animal shapes. And the real review only kids can give. So let's see the review from the kids' point of view. Ishi, which animal is this?
Rabbit.
Rabbit. Okay, have the chocolate. And tell me, how is it? So definitely kids are going to love it, and I also tasted it. So it's like smooth, milky, chocolatey chocolate. After eating, it just melt in the mouth quickly. The size and the price of the product is excellent, and it's good for gifting purpose. Only drawback of this chocolate is if you don't keep it in the refrigerator, it start melting very fast. So I would suggest you to keep it in the fridge. Even if the instruction says 15 degrees Celsius, forget about it. Keep it in the refrigerator. Overall, a good product. You can give it a try once in a while and subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye.